Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find app theme settings on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings and now click account management, and here you'll find the app theme. As you see here, you can customize your theme as you want, and that's it. That's how to find app theme on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.